Hello everyone, Derek Johnson with Tatango.com, getting a ton of questions about Verizon's 10 DLC program, what's going on. So I wanted to explain it with what I have here, hopefully make it as easy as possible for everybody to understand. So I have a bunch of cars and I've spray painted the cars either P2P traffic or A2P traffic. And I have our things here. So the red is going to be A2P, and the green is going to be P2P. So P2P traffic, this is person to person. A2P is application to person. This is the stuff that usually businesses are sending on 10-digit long codes. This is the stuff usually consumers are sending with other consumers. So if I'm texting you, this is what I'm doing, P2P messaging. So right now we have, this is the P2P road. Now, Verizon obviously doesn't call that, but I'm gonna call that for simplicity. And this is the A2P road. Just to be clear, you have the aggregator. It's not the right way, but aggregator is going this way, so they're sending the messages. And then you have Verizon, which is over here. These are the Verizon customers. Just to kind of keep things in check here. So now what you have currently is most 10 DLC traffic is running on the P2P channel. So all the messages, whether they're P2P or A2P, they're all running on the P2P road, or whatever we're gonna call it. So what has happened, April 1st is Verizon said, hey, now we have a 10 DLC or A2P road, and you have to start using that if you're sending A2P messages. So this is what it should look like. A2P traffic should move over to this road, and you should be sending from the aggregator to Verizon on the A2P channel. Unfortunately, what's happening right now with a lot of aggregators is they're still running the traffic on the P2P road. So what Verizon eventually is going to do, and other carriers will do as well, is when you are running A2P traffic on the P2P road, they're going to start filtering. And those A2P messages that are going out on the P2P road are going to be blocked. Now, there is one kind of caveat, is that if you want to use this road, the A2P road, which they should be, Verizon is going to charge 0.0025 for all of these messages. Now, why is Verizon charging this and why are brands going to pay for it is because if they try to send their message eventually on P2P, it's going to be blocked. So essentially, they're forcing everybody onto the A2P channel. Okay, so what is going on in the industry right now is I think a lot of the traffic, the A2P traffic, is still going down the P2P pipeline. Most of it's not getting blocked, so people are okay and they don't want to pay the 0.0025. But what I highly recommend is if you are sending 10 DLC messages, Verizon has already come out April 1st and said, you should be sending on the A2P channel if you're sending A2P messages, and we're going to charge you for that. A2P, eventually, if you're sending on P2P, is going to be filtered and blocked. And we're not talking about just spam, we're just talking about A2P messages on P2P, because they're saying you should not be using the A2P channel the P2P channel for A2P messaging. So reach out to your aggregator, talk to whoever is sending your messages, and make sure that the Verizon messages now are going down the A2P channel and that you're paying the 0.0025. So you do not get blocked some random day and your consumers can't receive your messages. Anyway, if you guys have any questions about this 10 DLC stuff, Verizon, short codes, anything, leave a comment in the comments below and I'll try to get to you. Again, my name is Derek Johnson with Tatango.com.